remains one last shard of the Allspark, held in secret by the Americans. Their national security advisor, Galloway, will know the location. Bring him to me. It's time we introduced ourselves.
The human. Galloway's location has been narrowed to one of 3 buildings. Destroy them to flush him out. Our intel indicates that the buildings belong to the front organization, Mashup Dynamics. Galloway is here on an inspection tour. Confidence is high. The next building is...
With Galloway's cortex under our control, we will use him against the Human-Robot Alliance. He is our puppet now. The Autobots suspect nothing. They are about to lose everything.
Despite our victory, I am disappointed. We must be more aggressive.
Our enemies have lost many friends today. Oh, such a shame.
The humans have all been saved.
It's quite impressive. I thought we'd lose a few. They're rather small and hard to see. That last mission was completed quite quickly. Surprising, since Autobots aren't typically known for their speed.
Hey, speak for yourself, Ratchet.
Except for you, Bumblebee.
Prepare for battle. Sergeant Epps has sent word requesting immediate assistance.